So here we have the Mercedes-Benz A180 on a 64 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 73,052. You can change the information that's displayed there. Using buttons on the steering wheel, for example, you can have, as you can see, a digital readout for the speedometer. The buttons in question are here. We have stereo and phone controls as well. You'll only be able to use the phone controls after you pair the phone up to the car, and we'll come onto that in just a moment. Down here, we have cruise control and speed limiter, and then into the centre, the main screen for the vehicle. And you can see up here your various different options, including the ways in which you can listen to music in this car. So we have AM, radio, medium wave as well, and FM, all accessed through here. We have a CD player, USB storage, and you can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. That is, of course, after you pair your phone. All the movement you can see me making on the screen at the moment, I am doing so using this dial just here. You can press these buttons directly to go into certain menus. So telephone, for example, radio. We're now in the radio menu where you can go through, as I said, your FM, medium wave, shortwave radio on here. Back out to the main menu. Within this main unit, you have your volume, CD player. You can answer and end phone calls once you pair the phone up to the car. We have a hazard warning lights. You can put the car in eco mode. You can turn the parking sensors on and off. And then below that, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you set over on that left-hand side. We have a 12-volt charging socket and some storage, and then the 6-speed manual gearbox as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.